What the fuck? The battery is expanded. It is what you can do. Quite so easy. What the hell? Finally. Nice job. Well, what can you do? Beginner stuff. It happens. This is swollen. So let's put some alcohol. And let's pull this thing out. You can go. Let's see, are we going to set ourselves on fire or not? Let's hope not. Okay, let's heat it up a little bit. Can't believe it, man. Can't believe it. Yesterday I just opened an iPhone 14 and it went smooth. Today on this 15 I cracked the back glass. Great. No worries. I will buy another one and I will replace it. It happens. Okay, so let's see what we are doing now. Let's see if this battery wants to come out. Okay. Okay. It's almost out. Let's put this and like this. Okay. Perfect. So here, oh, look at this. That was nasty. It smells bad. Let's clean this. Noise. Okay, so I got here a brand new adhesive for the black back glass, but I will not be using it today because I will order a new back glass, and I think this video will be from two parts. I'm installing the battery right now. I will calibrate it, and when I have the back glass I will install it with the new adhesive. Okay, so this goes like this. Okay, so what I like to do is to connect it first here. Good. There's an adhesive there, but it's okay because I'm just going to lift it like this. Okay, let's pull these tabs. Good. Here it is, the brand new battery. So right now I'm going to put this back. I'm going to stop this. I don't need it anymore. This should have been a very simple job, but it transformed into something very complicated because I'm messed up. It is what it is. Come on, get in. Like that. Let's put the screen. Good, let's connect it. Good. Let's put back the shield. Okay, so this comes like this. Sorry if I am putting my head right here above the phone, is so I can see. Okay, good. The camera lens are clean. Okay, so for now I'm going to close it like this, and as I said, we'll be back with the back glass replacement. Nothing happened. Brand new. Let's go back to this. Okay. Okay, this is working. Let's see if it has some juice. It doesn't. Okay, let's plug it in. Oh, 1%. Okay, so we have to wait till the phone has 20% so we can calibrate the battery. I'll pause the video and I'll come back when it's done. Okay, I'm back. Let's do the calibration. Oh. Settings. Let's go here. Okay, continue. Okay, here it says that the battery is original. Okay. Now the pop-up message should be gone, and we should have a proper installation of a new battery with 100% life. Yes, maximum capacity and 0 cycle count. Good.